We're doing pulled pork shoulder. We're going to start off with 2-3 pound pork shoulders. I use a little bit of jerk seasoning, spread all around. And then I had a additional season blend that I'll put in the description box. What that is. Now this is nice and slow, but the catch is it's going to take a while. So bear with me. Preheat the oven at 250 degrees. Preheat that oven at 250. Now I got a pan I added some foil in. I added some onions and some shredded ginger. Now I'm trying to place that pork in there the best I can, being that, it is a little big compared to the pan that I'm using. So I would decide to go ahead and put some of those onions and some of that ginger on top. Might as well. Ain't gonna hurt nothing. Wrap it up with some aluminum foil. Like I said, it's gonna take a while. Put that in the oven, 250 degrees. We aiming for 6 hours. After the first 2 hours, took that foil off and started basting every 30 minutes. Basting every 30 minutes. Trust me, you want to do that. Keep it juicy, nice, and moist. As you saw, I didn't add anything else, but 5 hours later, look at that. Juicy, delicious pork shoulder. Or you can say pulled pork. 4th of July weekend. Y'all be safe. Thanks for watching.